Hey y'all, it's Brianna. I'm so excited today because I'm doing my first get ready with me everyday makeup look. So I'm excited to get ready with you all today and show you guys how I do my everyday look. So let's get into the video. My first step is I'm going to go in with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I love this stuff. This is actually my second little sample bottle. I've been trying to save my coin. I just love this stuff. It's so moisturizing. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on. I know this is my first video, so I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about who I am, what I do. We're going to do that while I do my makeup today. Going in with my Huda Beauty foundation in Toffee. This is the Full Filter High Coverage Cream Foundation. I love this stuff. It doesn't go anywhere, and I usually have to wear makeup for a long time, and so I like makeup that's long lasting. So a little bit about me. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I graduated from the University of Tennessee. Got my bachelor's in psychology and my master's in elementary education. I'm actually a first grade teacher, and I know this looks crazy. Don't worry, it's gonna blend out. So I'm actually the current Miss Tennessee. I just competed for the title of Miss America in December, and I am in my second half of my Miss Tennessee reign. This has been such an exciting time in my life. I worked to achieve the goal of becoming Miss Tennessee for 4 to 5 years. It's amazing when you set a goal and you actually achieve it, and that's not only an inspiration to you, but an inspiration to others around you. So it's been awesome for me to show people that you can do whatever that you set your mind to. So once I've like stamped in the makeup, I like to just kind of blend. I blend into my ears, down the neck. It just makes everything so seamless because you don't want that line that says,
"Hello, I have tons of foundation on."
I think there's certain things where you can splurge a little bit, but I love a deal. I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite drugstore concealers. It's just a classic. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder Eraser. It's a multi-use concealer, but I use it to highlight. I use it to do lots of things. And this is in the shade 142 Golden. So while I'm blending, I can tell you a little bit more about me. I have a cat named Nike. He's a black cat. He is almost 2. He is my baby. One of these days, he can be in a video. He would love that. He is very extra. Comment below if you would like to meet Nike. I also have a boyfriend named TJ. We've been together for about 8 years. He's been an amazing person in my life. We've gone through high school, college, grad school, and now adult life together, and so we've grown so much as people, but a lot of the reason why we are the way we are is because of each other, so that's really cool. Now I use powder. Now y'all, powder is my best friend. When people ask me like, how does your makeup stay on so long? It's because of powder. This is the Wet n Wild powder. I like it because it's so finely milled. It comes in this beautiful like banana color. It's lightweight enough to where you don't feel like crazy. It doesn't feel cakey, which is like, that's not cute. You don't want that. I do bake, especially when I'm gonna do my eye makeup. So any fallout can fall down on the powder and it'll be easy to brush off later. I always get creasing right here in my smile lines. That's really important to set. Go ahead and set so those don't crease as bad. And I kind of look like that Mulan where she had like the ink like this. Yeah. Anyway, I like to let this sit for a little bit and go on to doing something else, but this powder is just the bomb and I love it. Well, I did my eyebrows off camera because frankly I don't really like doing them, and I'm really not that good, and also I really need to get my eyebrows done, and so I was not about to let y'all see all of that because it is a process. I used to love doing eye makeup and just experimenting with colors and trying to do cut creases and all this stuff, but nowadays, especially for an everyday look, it's all of just, I like neutral. I know that's kind of boring, but I like the look of a natural neutral eye, something that can kind of go with anything. I am about to use the best palette of 2019, which is the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is by far the best palette of the entire year. It's literally a hot mess because I use this all the time. Like, I took this to Miss America, I used this at Miss Tennessee. So first, I love going in with ginger, which is this color right here, and I love just kind of going in with a fluffy brush and just going into my crease. I'm just gonna take like a flat brush, and it's just like this flat brush that is perfect for just depositing color. I like to take Soleil, which is this beautiful masterpiece right here, and I just like to pack this on a flat brush. Just kind of go into my lid. This is not one of those intricate looks. This is just a simple look that I like to do that's so pretty, and it just can go a long way. What I love about this palette is that it's black girl friendly. Every shade shows up, which is hard to do for some reason. And then I'm gonna go into ginger just a little bit more, just to kind of soften the edges. And yes, I'm still baking. This little brush is just perfect for going into the under eye. So I'm gonna go back in with my favorite shade, Ginger. And honestly, that's it. Since I have eyelash extensions, it kind of makes my makeup a lot easier. And I'm about to do the other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back. I have finished the eyes. I literally did those same exact steps, and it's just so easy. I only use 2 colors, and you get this beautiful look. Now I'm going to go into the rest of the face makeup. You get this at the drugstore. It is the Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder. Like, I use it so much that the little letters are coming off. And this is in the shade Milk Chocolate Finish. Y'all, look how much you get. I'm going to apply some of that. And I use a kind of a big fluffy brush because I don't want it to be too harsh. And for a quick nose contour, just go like this. And add that definition that you need without actually going in and doing it. For blush, I'm using Serafina from Juvia's Place. I love this. It's so pigmented and so beautiful. It's just like that perfect peachy pink blush. It's so pretty. For highlight, I love this Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. It's so smooth. It's like it feels wet. I just like to kind of apply it with my finger. Lastly, I go for the lip. I'm using Anastasia in the shade Staunch. You cannot finish your makeup without doing this step. I always set my makeup with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. It kind of takes away that just powdery look and just blends everything together. That is the finished video. Y'all, thank you so much for getting ready with me. And if there's anything else that you would like to know about me or any other videos that you would like to see from me, please just leave that in the comments down below. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.